Hey everybody, Sector with Thermal Body Outfitters, and welcome back again. If you have been here before, I appreciate you coming back. If you're brand new to the channel, I hope you enjoy it. Today I am Executive Outdoor Adventures, hanging out with Andy Anderson. For those that don't know him, that does all the helicopter hunts, hog hunts on the ground, hog hunts in the air, and then also the beautiful ranch here where they do all kinds of exotics, deer. I mean, the animals are beautiful. But that's going to be on another video. Today you get to go watch as a gentleman comes out and hunts with us, and man, we have a blast. It's his first hunt. It's great. I've never seen somebody get so excited about just the stalking portion. He did, and I love that. Let's go check it out. Enjoy the video. Shoot him again. Put him back up. Keep shooting. You hit another one. That's it. Back up, Teddy. Get him. Okay, I don't know, he went to it too long. Shoot this other. Just back in the field, see? Get him. Alright. Okay. What do you got, Cody? Alright, we're good. Right now, I'm recording, brother.
All right.
Well, tell us about this freaking big pig. Look at the size. Look at the mean sucker. Look at the. Oh man, that's gonna be an awesome. Tell us about your hunt.
Well, this Puerto Rican dude took me out here.
See, the gringo gets no credit around here.
The gringo. It's awesome.
Well, it was actually this gringo who helped me shoot this pig down. We shot him together, actually. It was a nice shot. It was a nice hunt. It was excellent. My first time, actually, to tell you guys the truth. This is my first.
What'd you think of the thermal?
Thermal is awesome. These guys carry great equipment for nighttime hunting. So if you guys want to come out and hunt with Hector and his gringo friend,
Cody,
you go ahead and run. You come.
My gringo friend.
You come to the right place. So
they call me Jefe, damn it.
You can call me Poppy. Well, easy. It's for kids.
This is not my weapon. This belongs to them, so they let me borrow it, and it's a unique weapon.
It almost sounded like it was stolen there for a second.
Yeah.
This is my weapon.
Got a nice thermal right up here. What's this called, Hector?
That is a Pulsar XQ38
Okay.
thermal night scope.
And what kind of weapon is this?
That is a 308 AR-10.
Okay, excellent. And
That's the PPMS, right?
DPMS Oracle. That's the 20 round magazine on that one.
As I say, it's a magazine. And you got something. Is this something special?
Suppressor?
with the nozzle? Suppressor. Nice. So you guys can see that. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful weapon. And I got to shoot it, and I got to hunt this thing down, and help out the farmer. And why do we do this, Hector? For what reason?
Cody, tell them why.
If you look, when we were stocking up here, did you see all those big old ruts and holes?
Yeah.
And right now we're in winter wheat,
Yeah. Okay.
and they're out here just tearing it up. So that farmer loses acres of wheat throughout months, or just say weeks,
Right.
of them. Just if you go in that woods where I was just at, that's nothing but a big bedding area. So what they're doing is just staying there. As soon as it gets dark, they're out here tearing this stuff up.
All right.
Which farmer calls us up and says, "Hey, come and kill them."
And
So
let me ask you a few questions. How did you guys start getting interested in this? I'm just more
well, I've
curious.
been doing this professionally since 2000. Been
And-
guiding and everything. So
And we met back in what, 2011?
going on 11 years.
Yeah,
11 years
2011.
ago.
No, 2011. So that's about eight years we've been. So
So you guys have the
2011?
experience.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, man. You guys have the experience. So this is not just hunting for no reason at all. This is hunting to help out, the environment.
The local
Local
farmers,
farmers.
and we donate some of this meat too
Good,
to
that's
the
good.
needing families.
Nice.
So we do what we can.
All right. So I don't want people thinking we're just, frivolously out here killing animals. So please understand this is part of it's a cycle that goes on.
outstanding.
I like that.
I like that. That was really cool. Nobody's asked us those questions before. I like this one. And by the way, this is a beautiful trophy hog. This
go.
is a
That's a wall hanger,
beautiful.
son.
That's a wall hanger. And this, by the way, is going home with us. He is going to be a wall hanger. So it's a beauty. So we'll always have him to be able to check out. So very cool. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed the hunt.
Thank you. My first one, so thank you. Memorable.
We just spoiled him. We spoiled him.
Yeah,
It
David.
won't be the same.
Really did.
Like it goes with the territory. If you can't respect what you hunt, you can't appreciate what you hunt, find another hobby.
That's right.
Yeah, there
And
you go,
we-
guys. You hear it right here.
If,
And we love this. Well, another hunt in the books. Good hunt. Appreciate you coming out.
Yeah.
And glad you had a good time. Well, guys, as you can see, that individual had a great time, and it was pretty cool, the questions that he asked. We don't get that many questions asked like that. It was just kind of neat. We get an opportunity to share why we do what we do. And I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, I hope you come back. If you're brand new, hit the notification button on there. Hit the subscribe button and the notification button, so that when our videos come out, you'll be able to get a notification and know when they're on. I appreciate it again. Also, don't forget, if there's anything you want to know about the equipment that we use, any of those, the equipment that we use to film, the equipment used to hunt, right down there's on the description block, there is a location where you can click on and actually see all the equipment. It's called, just hit the link, it'll take you right to it. And if you know what, there's something you want to get, you could hook you right into our to Amazon in there. You can go buy it, do all that stuff. If you do, it actually helps out our channel. We appreciate it, and again, it helps us get the equipment to be able to do the videos that you hopefully are enjoying. Again, thank you for hanging out. Appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.